All right, since we got the hamster eating, and she looks so cute eating her lettuce, we'll just continue filming here. 7:30 in the morning. I've had her for a year. It's July 2023. I got her a year ago, and she's a miniature Robowski dwarf hamster. Oh, she's probably half the size of a Syrian hamster. But as I was saying, I'm going to try to finally pick her up the next few weeks. I hope she'll let me. Let's see what she does. So she just kind of gave me a little nibble just then, but nothing bad. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Before, she wouldn't do that. She wouldn't like that 3 months ago. 6 months ago, she definitely wouldn't like that. So, hey, Bubba. And she's going back inside her little house. Are you? Well, at least you're not too nervous around me. Oh, okay, she's nibbling. Ow, ow. She's nibbling. I can feel her teeth, but she's not trying to bite me. Well, that was good. At least she's not trying to bite me anymore like she did, 6 months ago. All right. We'll see how it goes with little Biscuit, the little hamster.